Mobile or know anything about Mobile, Alabama, you know that we are the birthplace of Mardi Gras. But since COVID happened, we have canceled all the parades in the city of Mobile, but that is not going to stop our citizens from celebrating this amazing holiday. So what they've done is they've gotten together with some of the float makers in town and created their homes into floats, basically. So you'll see behind me where the Wild Things are is one of the most amazing that I've seen around. They're all over the city, and MobilePorchParade.com has put together a map where you can go on and kind of create your own field trip to come out and see all of these amazing homes. So get on that website, check it out, and for right now, we're gonna take you on a virtual tour, because if you're not here, we want you to be able to enjoy it anyway.